pinakamalapit na, hinog na, at pipirmahan ko maya-maya yung information against Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Information to be filed with Sandigan Bayan as soon as possible.
Ombudsman, bakit nauna pa ang mga senador kaysa mga congressman? Sa mahigit 300 congressman, wala man lang isa nag-file ng kaso? Ibig bang sabihin, hilaw na hilaw pa sila?
Ng Department of Justice, nakasuhan sina Senador Jinggoy Estrada at dating Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Dahil po yan sa umunoy sabwatan kaugnay ng flood control scandal.
Immediate filing of criminal sets of information before the Sandigan Bayan against Senator Jose Jinggoy P. Ejercito Estrada, former DPWH Secretary Manuel M. Bonoan, and several local DPWH engineering officials. Following a rigorous and independent evaluation of the investigation forwarded to us by the NBI DOJ Public Works and Bid Rigging Task Force, our office found probable cause to indict the principal respondents for plunder under Republic Act 7080 and violations of Section 3E of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act under Republic Act number 3019. Charged alongside Senator Estrada and former Secretary Bonoan are local engineering officials from the National Capital Region. Assistant District Engineer Benril Cesar S. Cortuna and District Engineers Manny B. Bulusan and Arturo L. Gonzalez Jr. The cases stem from an intricate mechanism involving illegal budgetary insertions and project allocations within the DPWH infrastructure portfolio for fiscal year 2025.
Interwented lang yan. Kita mo yung nagpakulong sa amin ni Bong Revilla. Ayun. Init na rin sa kulungan niya.
Well, I have to consult my lawyer.
Sen, parang sunod-sunod kayo sa minority na kinakasuhan.
Majority.
Sa majority na kinakasuhan. Anong basa niyo po, sir?
Kayo nilang bahala manghula.
Politika ba sa tingin?
Sabi ko, either surrender or arrest. Sabi niya, pag-iisipan niya raw, ang concern niya ay yung tuhod niya na kailangan ng knee replacement. So sabi ko, hindi naman namin hindi namin it's beyond our jurisdiction. So sa Sandigan na siya magkapalipan. So wala na kami masasabing iba. Hintayin na namin ang sabihin ng Sandigan before we issue yung arrest.